In today's video, we're going to show you how to get started with your Saramonic Air. Your Saramonic Air includes 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, a charging case, and some essential accessories. Before first use, make sure to peel off the protective film on the bottom of each unit so they can properly charge in the case. Once you take the transmitter and receiver out of the case, they will power on and pair automatically, and the indicator light will remain blue. If pairing fails, here's how to do it manually. With the transmitter off, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until the blue light flashes quickly. Now press and hold the receiver's power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. Go to the menu and select pairing. The transmitter light stays solid blue once paired successfully. You can clip the transmitter directly onto your clothing or use the included magnet to attach it more discreetly. To use the included lav mic, plug it into the mic-in port on the transmitter. Wrap the cable around the transmitter once to prevent it from coming loose. If you're filming outside, attach the phone windscreen to the lav mic to reduce wind noise. Clip it near your collar for best results. Once connected, the lav mic is ready to go. For better wind protection in outdoor settings, we also recommend adding the fur windshield to the transmitter. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power on or off. Tap the power button once to mute or unmute. When the receiver is connected to your phone, double tap the transmitter's power button to remotely start or stop recording. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power on or off. While on the home screen, short press the power button to switch between gain control for the transmitter or receiver. Short press the NC and M buttons to raise or lower gain. Noise cancellation setting. Short press the NC button to cycle through strong, light, or off. Long press the NC button for 2 seconds to mute transmitter 1 and long press the M button to mute transmitter 2. Tap the M button once to open the menu. Press NC to scroll up and M to scroll down. Long press the M button for 2 seconds to select a function. Press M again to adjust the settings. Then long press M again to lock it in. Some functions like limiter, playback, or system reset will reboot the system after activation. To connect to your phone, tablet, or laptop, plug the receiver into your device using the included USB-C or optional lightning adapter. If the receiver doesn't fit due to case interference, use a USB-C extension cable. Mount the receiver with the included clip onto the cold shoe. For audio output, use the 3.5mm TRS to TRS cable. To monitor your audio in real time, plug the headphone into the receiver's 3.5mm jack. You can optionally choose Husher adapter to attach the receiver directly into your camera's Husher mount. Place the transmitter and receiver back in the charging case. The screen will show the remaining battery level and charging status. Green means fully charged. For USB-C adapter or receiver clip, press gently to fit it securely in place. When storing furry windshields, make sure the mount faces outward. Charge the case itself with the included USB-C to USB-A cable. After plugging the receiver into your phone, open the Saramonic app. On the main screen, tap the button in the top left corner, then select Device Management to access the control panel. Here, you can adjust settings like noise cancellation, audio output mode, and playback. You can also activate the lockout filter and limiter. Under receiver settings, you will find options to control output gain in transmitter 1 and transmitter 2. You can adjust the gain, toggle mute, and choose your preferred EQ tuning. In system settings, you can customize the language, transmitter indicator lights, screen timeout, brightness, and set a receiver to power on or off with a camera. Firmware update. Go to Info to view the current version and upgrade if needed.